on the 13th day of Christmas, I don't think there's a 13th day of Christmas in the song, we made this craft. So you are going to make a reindeer. So in your craft kits, you are going to get a lovely sheet of paper. Actually, you're going to get 2 sheets of paper. And it actually has the template. So this one might need a little bit more help for the little ones. But once it's been cut out and help the gluing, you're going to be able to make this lovely reindeer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get the base for your reindeer. So you're going to fold it in half just like it was done here. Then you're going to take your very first piece and you're going to glue it on your piece of paper. Next, it's going to be the head of your reindeer, just like we did here. And then you're going to put the antlers on, and you could have them like these ones. And actually, you're going to see on the bottom of this reindeer, we folded up the brown part, the dark brown parts, and folded it across, and that is where we glued it. Okay? Then it says on the back of this one that you glue it, but we taped it. So you can tape it too, or if you wanted to, you could use a stapler. And then you glue this piece on, and then you can do however you want to do with the antlers. You can make them go this way. You can make them go another way. Uh-oh, I just lost his head.
And we're back.
And we're back. We found the reindeer head. So then you have this glued on. Then you're going to put the ears on. So if you wanted to, you could put the ears standing up on the back. You could put them like this, the way we have them. And then the last part you're going to do for the paper pieces is you're going to put his tail on. So you can put it this way, you can put it this way, or you could put it on the back of his head, which would be funny. And then the last pieces that you're going to do is you're going to get 2 eyes. And so you can put the eyes on. So you can put them wherever you like. You could be surprised, you could be happy. And then the very last thing you're going to put on is your red nose. So I guess this is Rudolph. What do you think, Alia?
I think it must be Rudolph.
Yeah. So this...
Maybe he has a really, really bad cold and it's actually Blazer.
Blitzen?
Yeah, him.
So this one might need a little bit more help with the little ones, but I'm pretty sure that you guys can do it. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.